Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If Geometry Dash is not opening or crashing on your iPhone running iOS 17, then you can try all our troubleshooting steps to fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the App Store and type down Geometry Dash on your search bar. And make sure you have the latest version of Geometry Dash installed on your device. If there is any update icon available, then simply download and install the new update version available on it. So after you update your Geometry Dash, simply go to the settings, and in settings scroll down and tap on the general. Inside general, scroll down and tap on the background app refresh and make sure it is turned off. So after that, go back to the settings again. So in settings, go and tap on the general option available again. So in general, scroll down and tap on the shutdown option available and simply shut down your iPhone for 2 to 3 minutes and restart it. So after you restart it, go to the settings again, and in settings go to the general. So in general, tap into the iPhone storage, and in iPhone storage look for the Geometry Dash option available. After you see Geometry Dash, tap on it and tap on the offload app option available there and offload it. And simply tap on the reinstall app again and reinstall it. So it will 100% resolve your issues. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.